Alright, well, what do we have? Well, back on the little Toyota. Been running good, no problems. And the only thing I got left is the old TPMS. All the other stuff, I got a door open, no seatbelt, and the emergency brakes on because I'm parked on a hill. So I've got a new sensor. You can kind of see it sitting up there, maybe. We'll look at that later. Looks to be a Denso 55001005. And I believe that's original equipment, or thereabouts. And so we're going to try to program that today. The first thing we're going to do, shut this off and fire up the old Think 2 Pro S, and we'll just see what we got going on today. Alright, found the VIN, very good. And we'll just do a quickie. 16 pin. Camry, not a Lexus. American. 2012 to 14. No smart key. Okay, okay. Smart scan. Alright, we'll be back once this is done. Alright, so everything checked out good, except the TPMS, which I knew we had a problem. Transmitter ID 2 not received, current and history. Those are our codes. And now, since I've been screwing with this thing, I do know that it is the left front wheel that is not working. So let's get back out of here. And I have the old Think Car TPMS G2. And so we're going to go TPMS. Okay. I've already linked it to this thing. And America. Toyota, Camry, and it is this one. Yes. Okay. And we're on the front left. Go try to activate it. Failed. Alright, so we'll go do the rest of them. This front right. Got it. Nice. Right rear. Got it. Alright. Rear left. Very nice. And if I actually had another one, I could put one in the spare. But we do know that the front left is screwed up. So, as we can see, failed. So what we're going to have to do is, well, I was overcomplicating things. The only thing I had to do was to go into just active, like when I tested them all, put it up to the sensor, and click OK, and boom, it identified it. It's reading, temperature's correct. We're under 1 kPa because there's no relative air pressure because it's out here. But yeah, so now it's in. Everything's normal. And that should allow me to, yeah, and we got the ID, 53B4908. Beautiful. So now I gotta bust that tire off, get my little bead breaker out, and get this thing in there. So Cool, looks like it's gonna work. All right, let's see. First thing we gotta do is pull the valve stem, get some air, get the air out of this thing. Now see if we can break the bead with this nightmare. Yep. Right, very good. There she goes. Perfect. So, see you're in there. Now we just gotta break that little nut loose, swap it out for the new one. Let's hope. We'll figure out what size that is. 11, first time. Okay, there it is, little nightmare. Looks identical to the one I just took out. Garbage. Everything else looks pretty good. Got a washer in there that I don't need. I'll have to pull that out and use the one that came with it. There it goes. Alright, I'm gonna go clean that up a little bit. Be right back. Alright. Nothing too terrible. Get under there. Get the backside a little bit. Alright, now we're going to go get the new sensor. Alright, so we got the little washer and the nut, which is also 11 millimeter. That's kind of nice. And we're going to see if we can get this baby to go in there without losing it behind the tire. Yeah, here comes that. Ooh. Alright, let me go get something here. Oh, wait a minute. Nope. Okay, unfortunately now it's under the bead. And I gotta pry that out because I can't get a hold of it. Big old pry driver. There she goes. There she's on top of the bead. Alright. Almost. Get up there. Little bugger. Okay. Put the washer on it. New nut. Click. And see if we can get that to slip over. And I think it will. I think it will. Give me a second. Let me go get an air hose. Okay. I think we got it. Yes, sir. Just had to pop it over the tire sensor. Into the seat. Alright, go get the tire pressure gauge and clean it out the shop. Where the hell is everybody? My little toolboxes haven't arrived yet. Oh, back in a minute. Alright, so we got her up to 35. And got the cap on, all the beads seated, don't hear any leaks, everything looks good. So now we're going to hang it back on the tire, or on the car, plug in the computer, double check and reset all the sensors, erase the codes, and I think we're going to be good. Should get rid of the problem. Alright, so she's back on. Let's get in here and see what we got. Okay, so I went back into the TPS and went into learning. It did find all of those, so I just let that go. The handheld buzzes every time it goes through something. It does have the right number for the left front now. Okay. Nice. Actually, let's get back in there. Maybe I can, no. Maybe I can read data. Nope. Can't read the data from here. It is showing it. It's all there. It's just for whatever reason it wasn't showing on the OBD2, so let's back out. Hey, there we go. Got it. Beautiful. 80 degrees, 39 psi. A little high, but they're all over the place because it's been parked in the sun. So let's go back. Select all. $86, $37, 80, 39. $75, 37, 78, 36. And number 5 we don't have because I don't have one in the spare. So we got it. So, there you go. It's not terribly complicated doing this, but if you don't have some sort of a, you don't need one of these ridiculous combo units, but you do need to get yourself a tire pressure monitoring system. Let's just scan it for codes. None. Perfect. Do a full smart scan. And but yeah, if you don't have a TPMS monitoring system, you can get a bunch of different ones. This one I bought because it fits in right nicely with this ThinkTool Pro S. This is a really powerful little tool. So anyway, not much to it. If you can break a bead on a tire, you can pretty much change your sensor. Although you may need to get somebody to program it for you if you don't have one of these little doodads. So that's about it for here. Hope you're all having a happy new year, and I guess we will see y'all in the next one. Take care. Bonus footage. What the hell is that? This doesn't have a nav system. That's the first time that even popped up. Oh, that's weird. Get rid of you. Reverse signal is on. Yeah, that's pretty weird. That's like for a camera. This doesn't have any of that garbage. That's funny. Okay. Alright, we're back to all green again. I have no idea what that was. I don't think that was even hot in the last one. So, good enough. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to y'all later. Take care.